All right, let's talk about the weather here because we also have Jose. So we're going to talk about Jose.
Busy.
We've been talking a lot about Irma, and Jose is still out there hanging out in the Atlantic. Here's a look at Jose right now. As of the 5 o'clock advisory, winds gusting up to 125 miles per hour. It is a Category 2 storm, sustained winds at 105. It is expected to weaken and just sort of meander out in the Atlantic, but it could come close to the southeast coastline later in the week and into early next week. So we're going to watch that pretty closely, still several days out. So we'll watch it for you. Also, here's a look at Irma as of the 5 o'clock advisory, 60 miles north of Tampa, Florida. It will continue to weaken as it stays over land, approaching Georgia by this afternoon, and then early Tuesday morning, moving close to Atlanta. But by Tuesday afternoon into Wednesday, it then becomes post-tropical. So we'll just deal with some of the remnant rain from Irma as we push into Tuesday. We also have a system out in the Atlantic, a tropical wave has about a 40% chance of developing into a tropical system. It will move into some unfavorable environment for development over the next several days. And even that system, if it does develop into anything, it looks like it will stay out in the Atlantic. But we'll watch that one for you as well. Here's a wide shot. High pressure remains in control, keeping us nice and dry today. Irma to the south was spreading a lot of rain across Georgia into South Carolina. And we've got clouds moving into our area as well. So clouds will thicken as we go throughout the day today. Here's a look at futurecast, staying dry through the morning hours. By lunchtime, we'll climb into the low 70s, topping out in the mid 70s by this afternoon. And then by this evening, notice more clouds. We'll call it mostly cloudy overnight. The clouds tend to keep the heat in during the day. So starting off Tuesday morning, we'll start off a little bit warmer than this morning. Dry Tuesday under mostly cloudy skies, and then the rain moves in by the afternoon and evening hours, and the rain will last into the overnight hours and early Wednesday morning. So here's a look at what we can expect today. Mid 70s for the bulk of us, 75 in Norfolk, 74 in Newport News, 73 in Cape Charles, 76 in Hertford, and 75 Elizabeth City. Upper 70s Tuesday with scattered showers, back into the 80s by Wednesday.